Hello everyone. So today we are going to find the perpendicular line when you are already given a line and you are given a point that is on the perpendicular line that you want to find. I understand that's confusing, so I have a lot of the question already written out. You're given a line. Here's the equation of the line, okay? And you're given a point. And the question will say, find the perpendicular line that goes through the given point. In this case, the given point is 4 comma negative 3. Okay? So we just need to basically find that line, and that line should be perpendicular to the line that's already given. Okay? If it's super confusing, just follow along and you'll be alright. First thing I would want to do is to remember some basic rules. If we have line A, which we do, line A, and the slope is what? It's just 1. Okay? Now, the rules of perpendicular lines say that line B, and line B is going to be the line that's going to use the point 4 comma negative 3, that the slope has to be the negative reciprocal of the other line. So, if line A has m equals 1, then line B has to have the negative 1 over 1, which is just negative 1. Okay, so that's the slope of line B. We did nothing. All we did is find the slope of line B based off of the principles and the properties that we know of perpendicular lines, okay? We didn't do anything fancy. Now we have a slope and we have a point. Let's go ahead and create the equation. It's really easy after this. So we can use the point slope formula. Point slope formula. Okay? And that formula is y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Okay? Now the question becomes, this x1 and y1, where are they going to come from? Well, they're going to come from what they already gave you. They already gave us that information. x1, y1. Okay? This m, the slope, which slope are we going to use? Are we going to use the one they gave us for line A? Or are we going to use the slope of the line that we need to find? Hopefully you said line B. And we're going to use this slope here. Because we're creating that line. Okay, we're creating this line that's going to go this way, okay? So if we're going to create that line, then we need to use that point and this slope. So all we're going to do is plug it in. Y minus, what was y1 again? Negative 3 equals, what's my slope? My slope is negative 1, parentheses, x minus, and what was x1? 4. Okay? Now, we just do simple math. Let's go ahead and distribute. And you're going to get negative x. Negative 1 times negative 4 is positive 4. And let's clean this mess up here. Negative and a negative is a positive. So you're going to have y plus 3. Okay? And now let's go ahead and subtract 3 to both sides. And you're going to be left with y equals negative x plus 1. And this is our equation. Is our equation to the perpendicular line that passes through the point what was it again? 4, negative 3? Yep. 4, comma, negative 3. That's basically our answer, okay? And we're done. But I'm going to go ahead and just graph it. Y equals negative x plus 1. Okay. I'll use the blue ink. So we're going to start at 1. We're going to go down 1, run 1. Right there. Zoom in a little bit. Down, run. Down, run. Down, run. Look at that. Lands right on the line. Okay? And now we just connect the dots, the points. Oops. Oh, not bad of a line. Pretty crooked, but if you've seen my other videos, they've been much worse. Okay? And as you can see, this line is perpendicular to the other one. And we know they're perpendicular, we just wanted the equation of the line. Okay, we're not proving that they're perpendicular. That's done completely different, in a different way. Okay? And there's our answer here too. All right, I hope this video was helpful. See you guys next time. Peace.